Hello guys, I want to quickly show you my LinkedIn posting system that uses Dan Koe's framework for creating viral posts. The system also produces carousels if the post is suitable for a carousel, otherwise it generates an image for the post. I think it's not possible to not know Dan Koe or to never heard of Dan Koe because he's everywhere. He has millions of followers on all social media and all his posts are generating thousands of likes, so he knows what he's doing. I'm using his framework to create LinkedIn posts with my system. Now I will run the workflow and then I will explain it step by step. So first step is to get a topic from my Google Sheet, which has a list of topics. The first agent is the LinkedIn writer. Now, the prompt for the agent is quite comprehensive and detailed. I explain the core framework of Dan Koe's style. Hook, how to use it, the relatable problem, clear and unique solutions, big benefit, confidence, polarization, novel perspective. And then I give the agent contacts, inputs, writing rules, the topic areas to cover, the tone and voice, the format of the output. You can see here the content that was generated for the LinkedIn post. Next, there's another AI agent that, based on the content of the LinkedIn post, it decides if the post is suitable for carousel or not. The prompt is again very detailed on how to make the decision step by step. If you want, you can stop the video and read the prompt. You can see that the agent decided the post is suitable for a carousel. The next step is to make the content of the LinkedIn post suitable for posting on LinkedIn, as in having it HTML formatted, because the LinkedIn writer agent outputs the post with \n. So basically the next step is to format it in a way that is suitable to be posted on LinkedIn. For example, with break tags to add new lines. Next step is a decision node based on the fact that the post is suitable or not for carousel. If the post is suitable for a carousel, then another agent will generate the content for the carousel. The prompt this time is very short, so it just needs to take the LinkedIn post and structure the information in a way to be fit for carousel. Here you can see the output, the title, subtitle, and then the slides. For each slide, we have the title, the content, the key points, and some visual hints. Next, there's an HTML generator node that uses JavaScript to generate HTML based on the information from the previous agent. You can see here the output is an HTML document with the information. Next is to convert that HTML to a file because the file will be needed for the API service that transforms HTML to PDFs. I use the PDF code service. Here you can see the output of the PDF. This is the carousel. Next, I'm downloading the file from that URL, then to be sent on my email together with the LinkedIn post, content, and carousel as attachment. Why did I choose to send the post on my email first and not to publish it directly on LinkedIn? Because I want to put myself in the loop. So I want to check the post content and the carousel before they are posted automatically. It takes 2 minutes for me to just copy and paste the content from the email to LinkedIn and download the PDF and add it to the LinkedIn post. So I would rather spend those 2 minutes extra to do myself just to be sure that the post is perfect. So this is my email that I received. This is the content of the post that I can just copy and paste. And this is the PDF that I can just download it and attach it. Now when, for example, the LinkedIn post is not suitable for carousel, I can just reverse this condition for testing, and now I can execute the workflow again. It's the same up to this point. Now on this alternative flow, there's another AI agent that generates the prompt for the image generator. based on the LinkedIn post. This is a very short prompt. Next, I use OpenAI DALL-E image generator node to generate the image. You can see the generated image. This one is not the most fortunate. Sometimes the images are much better. Then the image is being attached to the email together with the LinkedIn post. So if I check the email again, this is a LinkedIn post again together with the image attached. This is all. Have a good day.